In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to add an ad blocker to your browser to remove ads. Ad blockers are really good to remove any hardware from any websites, so this is why I'm going to be showing you guys this video today. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you guys are going to do is hop on your browser. This can either be Chrome, Windows Explorer, Safari. It really depends on your browser, but today I'll be showing you guys on Chrome. So the first thing you guys have to do is go on Google Chrome Store. Now they're on Google Web Store, let's just search up for ad blocker. So now we're going to see plenty of ad blockers here, but the one that's really well known is this one right here. And I've been using this one. So for this video, I'll be using this one and showing you guys this one. So this one's really safe and it really blocks all of the ads. So now click add to Chrome, add extension, and it's just going to take a little bit to add it. And as you see, it just got added here. It's now installing the ad blocker. So once you guys see this screen right here, all you have to do is pretty much close the screen because you pretty much have it installed now. So as you guys see, when I'm on my browser, when I click here, you guys pretty much see the ad blocker and there's nothing there to see. But just to show you guys, I'll show you how it works. So yeah, for example, right now I'm on the New York Times. I don't know if you guys read this, but as you guys see, it's currently blocking 10 ads on the web page. So this pretty much shows that it works, because usually if you wouldn't have this, you would see like plenty of ads on the side. So as you guys see, if I actually remove my ad blocker, this is how the web page would look. There would be plenty of ads at the top, like a normal web page if you guys didn't have an ad blocker. So this is why an ad blocker is really good, since you don't get to see any of this junk, since it's pretty much useless. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys really learned how to add an ad blocker to your browser, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.